Okay. All right. Hello, hello, hello. Look at you. Back for another one in your DJ Khaled voice. We about to make some curry goat and roti. So let's get it started. First things first, I clean my meat. I have about 2¼ pounds of goat meat right here. All right, so it is time to season. So the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is hit it with my green sauce seasoning that I made. It has thyme, it has green pepper, it has onion, it has garlic, it has Scotch bonnet pepper, so many other things in there. I'm gonna make a video on how to make it. So that's make it 2 tablespoons of green seasoning. My fresh seasonings, so this is about 3 stalks of green onions, aka scallions. This is 1 medium cut up tomato, diced up tomato, green, yellow, and red pepper sliced up, half a red pepper, half a green pepper, half a yellow pepper, 1 medium onion. Here I have some crushed pimento seeds or allspice with some uncrushed, as well as a few cloves, like literally 3-4 cloves and 2 bay leaves. So I'm gonna drop that off in here. All right, next I'm going to go ahead and take half a tablespoon of minced garlic and add that in there too. If you have fresh garlic, you can go ahead and chop you up some. All right, so now we have our green seasoning in there. We have our fresh seasoning in there. Let's go ahead and season it with our powder seasonings. Give it a little mix first. We're gonna start off with some Laurie's. All right, you're gonna want to do about 1 tablespoon of this. Then I'm gonna get this little teaspoon and I'm gonna do a loaded teaspoon of cumin. I probably won't even put all of this. Yeah, I'm not gonna put all of that. Yeah, so I put about half of that loaded teaspoon. I don't have any fresh thyme, so I'm gonna use my thyme leaves. And I'm gonna do about 2 teaspoons. Yeah, about 2 teaspoons worth. I also don't have any fresh ginger, so I'm gonna go ahead and use some ground ginger. About 2 teaspoons of this as well. A nice little sprinkling of ginger. And let's just mix that in just to get some of that seasoning going in there. But we're not done yet. Black pepper. We're gonna do about a good tablespoon of that. Half a tablespoon that was. So now we're gonna go in with the most important parts of our curry dish. We're gonna start with ground turmeric. Okay, I'm just gonna cover it with this, and that right there is probably about half a tablespoon. Regular Jamaican curry, these are just opened, which is why they're hard to come out. Okay, so that was literally about half a tablespoon of that as well. Hot Jamaican curry, and again another half a tablespoon of that as well. Mix this up, but we're still not done. We are still not finished. So I went with what I found in my local West Indian store, which was hot and spicy duck goat curry powder, and the saleswoman said it's really good. So it smells really good. It smells like curry goat, actually. It smells exactly like curry goat. So we're gonna go ahead and take about a full tablespoon of this in there. And there we go. So now our goat is all seasoned. I'm going to cover this and I'm going to put this in my fridge overnight. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with cooking it. I just want to put some oil in my pot. Put my pot over medium-high heat and let that get hot. Garlic for this. And some allspice, pimento seeds, And we're gonna burn some of that curry. I'm not gonna do too much because my curry goat already has a lot of curry on it. So. That's half of my curry goat mixture. The rest of it is gonna go in the freezer until the next time I'm feeding for some curry goat. What I'm gonna do now is just let it sweat out, because curry goat makes its own water for it to cook down. So I'm just gonna let it sweat out for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna just cover that for 10 minutes. It's been about 10-15 minutes. So let's go ahead and take a look-see. Whoa. Oh, I put just the right amount in here, okay? You see how it sprung up like that? Let's give it a nice stir. Literally put just the right amount. Perfect. Now it has its own water in here. Like I said, it would spring its own water. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do is take the leftover veggies and water that I have here. I put some more water in here, and I'm just gonna go ahead get that in there. Cover this back up, and I'm gonna leave it alone for the next half an hour. All right, so our curry goat has been on for 25 minutes, and quite frankly, it just smells delicious. Whoa. Wow. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a stir. You see, it doesn't need much. To let this go for 30 minutes. I just added back more water, and now I'm adding in these carrots, and I'm gonna let this go for 20 minutes, and then we'll be back so that we can add our ramitup. This curry goat is finito, and I want to go ahead and add my ramitup in there and let that sit for about 2 minutes, and my roti is done. So that's what we're looking like on the curry goat. So I'm adding my ramitup in there. Like I said, about 75% of the package. All right, so we are technically done. Hello, people. Here is my plate, my curry goat, and my roti. Now, this was my first time making both of these items. I'm just enjoying the learning process of everything, and hopefully in a year from now, you guys are gonna be like, whoa, she stepped the game up. Okay, hopefully my future husband will be like, whoa, you know. But this is my roti. Let me go ahead. So, my God, I'm proud of myself. Look at this. Okay, all right. Okay. Yes. Yes. Now let's taste the goat. Okay. You want it to pull apart like that, okay? So it's cooked. Took an hour and a half. Roti, piece of meat, piece of carrot. Let me finish the rest of my food. I'll see you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.